Kaloka naman. Craziest thing I did for love? Ginawan ko siya ng kanta.
Anong kanta?
The out now.
Anong kanta?
Ay, basta na. Basta. Ayaw mag-chika. Pero out now, mahiyain. Yun na yun.
Craziest thing I did for love. I think it would be setting myself aside. Yeah. That's so crazy. Like, who would do that, you know? Ako, oo na, narinig kita. Sino ka man? Oo na, okay na. Okay na.
Oh,
Hoy!
the craziest thing I've done for love, is I stayed. I stayed when it was so bad because I loved the person and I thought he would change. I thought he loved me enough to also change and fix himself. And nagstay po talaga ako until I lost myself. That's the craziest thing I've done for love.
Ako, when I love kasi I love hard. So, nothing is too crazy for... nothing is too hard. That's cute. Hindi, so nothing is too crazy for me. Gano'n. Siguro isa sa mga sample.
Grabe naman!
Baliw. Gano'n. Hindi. Siguro isa dun sa mga crazy na ginawa ko for love is iniwan ko yung... sinurrender ko yung green card ko. Para sa... Yeah. And then, may isa pa, siguro I stayed din, kahit chinitan ako ng 2 beses, sa best friend niya, tsaka sa ex niya!
Ay, nag-share na pala tayo!
Hindi ganon. So, yun. Yeah.
Parang lahat tayo may cheating experience.
Mga guy, male cast naman.
Female rage. Grabe. Live, ah? Witness nyo? Grabe.
Wait, before Barbies, yung mga male cast muna.
Mas malala pa sa Odyssey yung rage natin, guys. Ang todo. Ako, siguro para baliin natin, crazy good siguro. Kasi as a Leo, hindi na, I always see to it na I don't go too crazy, na parang when I feel there's something wrong, hindi na ako para ano pa doon. So siguro good crazy. Pagka birthday or pagka special day, anniversary or Valentine's Day, kahit nasaan pa yan, nasa Tagaytay, nasa Pampanga, may COVID, ganyan, ginagawan ko ng paraan, pumupunta ako, yun. Oo, romantic naman. Yun po. Thank you.
Sa mga male cast
Okay.
members naman.
Males.
Siguro sa akin, naging stalker ako after breakup kasi sobrang mahal na mahal ko. Parang ganun. Nasa bahay na ako, pumupunta na ako ng bahay.
Sasa, pag-isipan mo na to.
Parang naghintay, parang inaano ko lang yung sarili ko na makamove on ako. Parang gusto ko siya makita kahit bawal na. Nagpupunta ako ng bahay niya hanggang sa, alam kong mali na pero wala napamahal ako ng sobra eh. So hindi ko naman masisisi sarili ko pero at least nakamove on din ako after.
9 years and 6 months. That's the craziest, yeah, of choosing love every single day for 9 years and 6 months and counting.
Ano yung question?
Kasama pa rin producer.
Craziest thing.
Ayun, saan na yung nanay mo?
I should have been listening. Staying in a... Before my wife, I didn't have a single relationship last more than 6 months. So similar to Jude, it's like just committing. And now we've been together for... Nakamagpahama ko dito. We've been together for 15 years. So hopefully, yeah. Yeah, crazier, a little crazier.
Crazier.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Keith. Direk!
Nakakatawa yung director.
I'm not crazy eh.
Virgo.
Craziest thing I did for love. Ano ba? 18 years?
Craziest! Grabe.
Nagyayabangan lang sila ng
Oo, 10 years.
Okay.
Okay, JP, your turn.
Yes. Sir JP, Sir Patrick, go.
Bumili kami ng washing machine.
Jim Gayban, 18 years.
Grabe. Sorry na jaw drop ako sa 9 years, 15 years, and 8.
Siya po si Cherry.
Saya. For Barbie, kasi yung movie is about flipping the good girl narrative, no? How easy is it or difficult to be a good girl in showbiz?
How easy?
Difficult.
How difficult? Parang pakiramdam, hindi ko alam kung ako lang or maraming mga artista na kahit naman good girl ka, may nakikita pa rin silang bad about you. Tas mas yun yung idadissect. So, imagine that be your life every single day. You can't make mistakes. Para kang nasa aquarium every day na hindi na siya hindi na siya parang argument about being a good girl or what. Andun na sila sa nag-iintay sila na magkamali ka. Mas yun. And para sa akin, it's both easy and difficult. It's difficult because tao ako eh. Tao kami. Hindi kami good lang. 'Di ba? Dito nga sa pelikula na discover ko, may wild side pala din ang Barbie, 'di ba? Yung ganon. So, it's hard to keep a good image when people already have these preconceived notions about you na hindi naman na din good in the first place. What makes it easy for me to keep being a good girl is that I love my job and it pays well. Thank you.
Lastly, ano yung naturo sa'yo ng movie about love? Or may na-validate lang ba siya na idea mo na about love, na pinaniniwalaan?
Ibang magmahal ang babae. May baliw, may tahimik. Pero I think yung best kind of love na nakuha ko dito sa pelikulang to, I love of friendship. Mas yun yung parang doon nagkaroon ng sense of healing yung character talaga ni Cherry. So grabe yung power of love from friends talaga. Mas yun. Yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Ate Kate. Okay, last two, we have June Lalin. Yes, Tito June. Hi po.
Hello, Barbie, exciting, no, to saving Cherry. Pero hindi muna ikaw ang tatanungin. Miss Rosel, yan. Si Rosel tahimik eh. Pero kasi nakikita ko sa movie Rosel, no, parang eto yung 70s, 80s ng Regal ng mga lokal-lokang eksena, dialogues, di ba? Idea mo to na parang ibalik yung dating tatak Regal, kumbaga.
June, nung 70s and 80s, hindi pa ganyan kaloka-loka. Ito,
Hindi, pero may
sobrang...
mga, mas sobra pa to.
Mas sobra pa to. Mas
Okay.
kakaiba to. And what you see is what you get here. I mean, this kind of, friendship and whatever happened in the set. Parang, the first time I saw them, hindi pa ganyan. May nangyari sa set na, for me, parang changed everyone. And nakita ko yung friendship among them and the patuhan nila dito. And it's all true. Parang walang, walang cover up. And this is what I like.